Next up, one shot, one kill for Handshake, in this being to eliminate the hostile commander in Hunter's Paradise. Zooming in all the way to the far northwest side of the map here by Hunter's Paradise, the spot usually spawns in the firing lanes over here, so he's probably very easy to knock out from the north side over here in the trees, but still you should be very careful as this area is very heavily guarded. Alright, so landing at Hunter's Paradise, let's head east towards the firing lanes, either through the north in the bushes or pushing through the area. Once again, there are tons of bots here, as you probably know by now, and they could be very angry as usual. Now what we'll need to do is push towards these firing lanes all the way near the center of the map, and in here you should find the boss of the area that we need to get rid of. So, slowly clearing your way in here, you can either enter through this side entrance, or of course you could probably check over this hill here and get rid of the boss that way. They're dressed very similarly to the other soldiers in the area, but they should be different enough to spot from a distance. So pushing up here, clearing each of these firing lanes, they may have rotated to somewhere else due to either you making noise or someone else. So they'll be a little bit annoying to find. When you push into Hunter's Paradise and into the shooting range, you'll eventually kill a bot that looks like this, usually with a blue/purple shirt and these different headphones on him. This is the one that we need to kill in order to complete this mission, and as soon as you do, you're basically done. You can return back to base, hand it in, and get your quest reward. So, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.